course of your day. When we think about morning routines, we often think about exercise, meditation, or journaling. But one powerful practice that can set the tone for our day is often overlooked: morning prayer. Prayer is a beautiful way to cultivate love and blessings in our lives, and I'm so excited to share with you how a simple morning prayer can transform your day. In today's video, I want to guide you through a prayerful experience that will help you connect with your heart and attract more love and blessings into your life. Whether you're a spiritual person or just someone looking to add more positivity to your daily routine, this video is for you. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Today, I want to inspire you to make morning prayers a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Imagine starting your day feeling grounded, centered, and connected to something greater than yourself. Imagine having a heart full of gratitude and love, and watching that love ripple out into every area of your life. By incorporating morning prayers into your daily routine, you can experience a more fulfilling life, one that's filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. So, let's get started on this journey together, and explore how a simple morning prayer can transform your day. Find a quiet space where you can take a few moments to yourself. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, allow yourself to release any tension or stress. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment. As we begin our prayer, I want you to remember that it's not about the words you say, but about the intention behind them. It's about taking a few moments to connect with your heart and allow love and blessings to flow into your life. Take another deep breath and allow yourself to sink deeper into this present moment. Feel your heart beating, feel the air moving in and out of your lungs, and allow yourself to let go of any distractions. As we move deeper into our prayer, I want to share with you some moments of gratitude and love that you can include in your own prayer practice. Take a moment to reflect on the abundance that already exists in your life. Think about the people who love and support you, the roof over your head, the food on your table. Think about the simple pleasures in life that bring you joy: a good cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, a warm bath. Allow yourself to feel grateful for these things, and watch how that gratitude begins to fill your heart. Think about the love that you've experienced in your life: the love of a partner, the love of a family member, the love of a friend. Allow yourself to feel that love, and watch how it expands and grows. Think about the abundance that you want to attract into your life. Think about the love, the joy, the success, the happiness that you desire. Allow yourself to feel it, to see it, to know that it's possible. Remember, abundance is a mindset. It's a choice to focus on the positive, to see the good in every situation, and to cultivate love and gratitude in our hearts. As you move forward with your morning prayer practice, I want to encourage you to experiment with different themes and affirmations that resonate with love and blessings. You might want to focus on gratitude one day, and abundance the next. You might want to use affirmations to reprogram your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs. The possibilities are endless, and the most important thing is to make it your own. Make it a ritual that feels sacred and special to you. As we move deeper into our prayer, I want to guide you through a moment of meditation and visualization. Take a deep breath in, and imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, loving light. Imagine that light filling your heart, filling your mind, and filling your entire being. Allow yourself to feel a sense of peace, a sense of calm, and a sense of connection to something greater than yourself. Allow yourself to feel the love and blessings that are already present in your life. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling: more centered, more grounded, more connected to love and blessings. Remember, the goal of today's video was to inspire you to incorporate morning prayers into your daily routine. I hope that you felt a sense of transformation, a sense of love and blessings that you can carry with you throughout your day. If you have, take a moment to share with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience, and how you plan to make morning prayers a part of your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content, and stay tuned for future videos that will delve deeper into spiritual practices and personal growth. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Remember, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are deserving of an abundant and fulfilling life.